Today we will do how to prepare payoff matrix. Here you see question. Three type of information are always given in a question. First, gain, that is rupees 5. If information regarding gain is does not given directly, then we can calculate it by subtracting selling price minus cost price. Second type of information, unsold stock, that is rupees 3. If company does not sell its product, then it has to suffer a loss of rupees 3. Third type of information, demand and probability. Demand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and probability 0.20, 0.20, 0.25, 0.30, 0.5 and 0. Solution, here we prepare payoff matrix. Here we write demand and here we write supply. Demand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and copy this demand here in supply column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you see supply. Supply of product by a company, and these are number of product demanded by a customer or by consumer. If company supply its product and all the product are sold, if supply product are sold in a market, then company get gain of rupees 5. If product does not sold, then company face loss of rupees 3. Here company supply 0 product and demand is 0. In this situation, company does not get any gain and does not face any loss, so we write 0. Here company supply 1 product but demand 0. Supply 1 product, that means this 1 product remain unsold. So sold product nil, unsold product 1, multiply by 3, loss minus 3. Here company supply 1 product and demand of product is 1. So company sell this product. Sell. And unsold product nil, because 1 product is supply and 1 product is sold. Here company supply 1 product supply by a company and product demanded in a market is 2. 1 product is sold in market. 1 product is sold in market because demand in market is 2. Number of product unsold is nil because 1 product is supplied by a company. Here again 1 product supplied by a company, 3 product are demanded, so company can easily sell this 1 product. Here company can easily sell one product because demand is 4. Here again company can easily sell this 1 product in market because demand is 5. Here company supply 2 product. 2 product are supplied by a company, demand is 0. So these 2 product remain unsold in market. So company has to face a loss. Product sold nil, product unsold. 2 product are unsold. So company face loss of rupees 6. Here company supplied 2 product. Demand is 1 product. So From two product, one product can sold and one product remain unsold because demand is of one product. One product sold, one product sold and one product remain unsold. One product sold and one product remain unsold. So here we write two. Two products are supplied by a company and two products are demanded by in a market. So company can sell these two products in a market. Sold product 2, unsold product nil, 10. Company supplied two product. Demand of product is 3. Company supply two product. Demand of product is 3. So company can easily sell these two product. Here company can easily sell these two products because demand is 4 in market. Here company can easily sell these two products because demand in market is 5. Here company have supply 3 products but demand in market is 0. So all these products remain unsold. Product remain unsold. Here company supply 3 product, demand in market is 1. So company can sell one product and unsold product is 2. Here company supply 3 product, demand in market is 1. One product sell, 2 product remain unsold. One product sell, 2 product remain unsold. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 1. Here company supply 3 product. Company supply 3 product. Demand of product is 2. So 2 product are sold, 1 product remain unsold. Company supply 3 product. 2 product are demanded, 1 product remain unsold. 2 product sold, 1 product remain unsold. Here company supply 3 product, demand in market in 3. Company supply 3 product, demand in market is 3. Company can easily sell these 3 products. So easily sell these 3 products. Number of unsold product nil, 15. 15. Supply is 3, demand is 4. Here company can easily sell these 3 products. Here supply is 3, demand is 5. So company can sell its 3 product easily. Here company supply 4 product. Demand of product is 0. So all these 4 product remain unsold. Number of product sold nil because demand is 0. Number of product unsold is 4. So minus 4, minus 12. Here company supply 4 product. Demand is 1. Company supply 4 products. Demand is 1. So company can sell 1 product and 3 product remain unsold. Number of products sold 1 and number of product remain unsold is 3. Number of products sold is 1. Number of product remain unsold is 3. So Here company supply four product and demand is 2. So company can easily sell 2 product and 2 product remain unsold. Company can sell 2 product and 2 product remain unsold. Here company supply 4 product and the demand is 3. So company can sell 3 product and 1 product remain unsold. Company sell 3 product and 1 product remain unsold. Here company supply 4 product and product demanded in a market is 4. So company can easily sell 4 product. So 4 product can easily sell in market and unsold product is nil. So 4 product can easily sell in market. 20. Here company supply 4 product and product demanded in market is 5. So company can easily sell 4 product. So company can easily sell 4 product in market. Here company supply 5 product and demand of product is 0. So all these 5 product remain unsold. Number of products sold nil. Number of products remain unsold. Here is loss 15 phase. Here companies supply 5 product. Number of product demanded in market is 1. So company sell 1 product and 4 product remain unsold. Company sold 1 product and product remain unsold in is 4. Here company supply 5 product and demand of product is 2. So company can easily sell 2 product and 3 product remain unsold. Number of product sold is 2 and product remain unsold is 3. So company supply 5 product and demand is 3. So company can easily sell 3 product and 2 product remain unsold. Company easily sell 3 product and 2 product remain unsold. Here company supply 5 product, demand is 4. So company can easily sell 4 product and 1 product remain unsold. 4 product is sold and 1 product remain unsold. Here company supply 5 product and demand is of 5. So company can easily sell all these 5 product. This is our payoff matrix table. Here it is complete.